In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove third-party apps from Gmail account. 5 minutes. We're going to tidy up your Google account by removing third-party apps that have access to it. This is useful if you tried an app once, no longer use it, or simply want to reduce who can see your Google data. You'll do everything from your Gmail and Google account settings, and I'll guide you through each click. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or initial. This opens a small menu with your current account details. From here, select Manage your Google account. That takes you to the main Google account dashboard, where you control security and privacy settings for your entire account, not just Gmail. On the left or across the top, find the security section. Depending on the layout you see, it may be labeled security or security and sign in. Open that area. This page collects all your protections, password, two-step verification, and importantly for today, app access. Scroll down until you reach the area for third-party connections and services. If you see a link called third-party connections, you can click it directly to jump into a detailed list of apps and services connected to your Google account. This list shows tools you've used to sign in with Google or apps you've allowed to access data like your email, contacts, or Drive. Click the specific app you want to remove. You'll see more details about what data it can access and when it was granted. Review this information so you're sure you're removing the right one. When you're ready, select the option to delete or remove all connections the app has to your Google account. Google may word this as delete all connections or remove access. Confirm your choice when prompted. After you confirm, the app no longer has permission to access your Google data. If you ever use that app again, it will ask you to grant access from scratch. Keep in mind, removing access stops future data sharing, but it doesn't delete data the app may already have stored. If you want that data removed, visit the app's own settings or contact its support. Before you finish, repeat this review for any other apps you don't recognize or no longer use. As a best practice, check this section every few months and keep only what you trust. That's it. Your Google account is cleaner, safer, and under your control.